2.2.5. Use proportional relationships to solve single, ratio, and percent problems. Your school is going to have a free dress day if 80% of students do their homework for the week. There are 300 students at your school, and 250 of them did their homework. What percent of students did their homework last week? So this 80% is kind of a distractor because we're already told a percent, right? But that's the threshold of meeting the free dress day requirement. So to get a free dress day, you need to get 80%. So let's find out, do we get to 80%? And if so, what percentage is it actually? So there are 300 students, right? 300 students. Okay. And out of those 300 students, 250 did their homework doers. Okay. We want to find out what percentage of the students were homework doers or did their homework. So a percentage, remember, is out of 100 students, right? And so we could say, how do we go from 300 to 100? Well, we can't subtract 200. That doesn't make sense. You can't take away 200 students because taking away 200 homework doers would be a 1-to-1 ratio. That would be 100%. That's not fair. That's not the same percentage. That's not an equal ratio. Instead, what we're going to do is another way to go from 300 to 100 is to divide by 3. Divide by 3. Okay, so that's what we're going to do here. We're going to divide by 3. So 250 divide by 3. That goes in 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, and that's 1. Bring down the 0. 3 times 3, right, is 9. Okay, 1, and then there is another 0 after them. There's an infinite amount of zeros. 0, okay. And we notice that there's a pattern starting to happen. 3 goes in there, 9, okay, and then there's a 1. So 83.3 seems to be the answer, 83.3%, because this is 83.3 out of 100 students. That was the homework doers. Another way to do this is to say 250 divide by 300 and you would get 0.833. That's as a decimal and not as a percentage, so we'd have to move this over, right? So that would be 83.3% if we did 250 divided by 300. Wonderful.